Think back to the days of your grandparents. Simpler times, right? Now, fast forward. Today, you're wealthier than they ever imagined. The world at your fingertips. But as the sun sets, does the weight of financial stress keep you up? Feel that? It's anxiety, confusion, but also hope. Americans today stand as the wealthiest population in history. But why are so many trapped in a cycle of debt? Picture a shoebox stuffed with $100 bills. That would fit around $122,000, which is the median net worth of an American family. Now, if you're a millionaire, a shoebox wouldn't be enough to contain your money. You'd need an entire closet. Think that's impressive? Not so fast. For a billionaire, they'd need an entire house, bursting with those notes to contain their wealth. And someone like Elon Musk, with a net worth of $220 billion, he'd need the entire Pentagon, every corridor, office, and chamber, filled with $100 bills to contain his fortune. So how full is your shoebox? And are you aiming for the closet or perhaps the entire house? Today, we're embarking on a transformative journey to understand the hidden barriers to financial success, the mindset of those who've made it big, and the real equation to wealth. Would you take $1 million today? Or a penny that doubles in value every day for 30 days? Comment your answer below. Remember, the road to wealth is paved with wise decisions and strategic moves. Hit the like button if you're ready to transform your financial future, and let's dive right in. By the end, you'll see money in a whole new light.